Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to connect your Samsung HWE450 soundbar to your television. This is a fantastic way to dramatically improve your TV's audio for movies, shows, and gaming, and it's easier than you might think. Let's get started with the best and most common connection methods. First, we have the HDMI ARC connection. ARC stands for Audio Return Channel, and it lets your TV send audio down a single HDMI cable to your soundbar. You will need one standard HDMI cable for this. Look on the back of your TV for an HDMI port specifically labeled ARC. Then, find the HDMI out port on your soundbar, which should also be labeled ARC. Plug one end of the cable into your TV's ARC port and the other end into the soundbar's ARC port. Now, turn on both your TV and the soundbar. On the soundbar, use the source button on the remote or the unit itself to select D.IN. Finally, go into your TV's settings menu, find the sound or audio options, and select audio output. From there, choose HDMI ARC or external speaker. The best part about ARC is that you can now use your TV remote to control the soundbar's volume. If your TV doesn't have an ARC port, don't worry. The second method is using an optical cable, which provides excellent digital sound. You'll need the optical cable that likely came with your soundbar. First, find the port labeled Digital Audio Out, Optical, on your TV and the Digital Audio In, Optical, on your soundbar. Remember to remove the tiny plastic protector caps from both ends of the cable before you plug them in. Connect one end to the TV and the other to the soundbar until you hear a little click, ensuring it's secure. Turn everything on. Press the source button on your soundbar to select D.IN again. Then, go back into your TV's audio settings and set the output to optical or external speaker. The third option is a wireless connection using Bluetooth, which Samsung often calls TV Sound Connect. This is great for a clean setup with no visible wires. Press the TV Sound Connect button on your soundbar remote. The soundbar's display will show TV and begin to flash, indicating it's in pairing mode. On your Samsung TV, navigate to the sound menu and select speaker settings. Choose the Add New Device option. The TV will scan for nearby devices. When you see Samsung Soundbar E450 appear on the screen, select it. A prompt will ask you to confirm the connection. Choose Yes, and you're all set. The soundbar is now wirelessly paired with your TV. A quick tip for any method: always make sure your soundbar is plugged into a power outlet and turned on. If you have any issues, the first thing to check is that you've selected the correct source on the soundbar and the correct audio output in your TV settings, as that solves most problems. Enjoy your new and improved home theater sound. Thank you so much for watching today's guide. If this video was helpful to you, we would really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your support allows us to keep making helpful tutorials for you. We'll see you in the next video.